I hope you all are having an amazing Monday. So today is Ipsy versus Ipsy Day. I'm so excited. I have really enjoyed doing the Ipsy versus Ipsy. Now, for those of you that do not know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $12 for the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is what I have here. Yes, I have two. And you receive 5 sample, deluxe size sample, and sometimes even full size items. I will put a link down below if you have not signed up for Ipsy and you would like to. Also, if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. And guys, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. They will both be linked down below. But let's get into our Ipsy versus Ipsy for October 2019. Now, I do have to say, obviously you can see it as a new bag. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I kind of miss that bright pink envelope mailer coming. There was just something about seeing that bright pink mailer in the mailbox. But I mean, it is still cute. I'm not mad at it, but, so what I do for mine is I have my regular profile, which is this one right here, and it's the one that I've had for years. Well, just a few months ago, I added this guy right here. Yeah, this one, making sure I had him right. But what I didn't do a different profile. A lot of people, when they do the Ipsy versus Ipsy, they will create a completely different profile to see if they do go by profile. Well, I did the exact same profile. Also to see if they do go by profile, because I want to see if the items that I get in here and the items that I get in here are similar, because it's the exact same profile. So we will start with my normal bag that, like I said, I've had for years. This is the account I've had for years. So let's get in here and see what I got in this one. It's taped kind of weird. We'll just cut it. All right. So that is that bag. And we have some stuff outside. And as we know, because I've already done my Ipsy Ultimate and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the theme or the bags are Betty Boop. So here's the actual little Betty Boop bag for the regular glam bag. This one I do actually think is cute. It does have the same like glittery sequins on the back, and it has a little B for the zipper for Betty Boop. So let's see, they've been putting yep, there's a card. It says, don't forget, the choice is yours. It's time to get personalized. On October 23rd, you get to choose one of your glam bag products, and then using our Ipsy Match technology, we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. So, and again, the theme is Flaunt It. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin, and who better than the iconic beauty muse and confidence queen, Betty Boop, to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. So there we have that. So I'm gonna start here with the items actually, that are outside of the bag. And it is a set of 2 sheet masks. And I've actually, Essence Herb, I've never heard of this brand. Let's see. It's a tea tree and a canola honey sheet mask. Essence Herb made in their mission to deliver effective products formulated with only honest ingredients. The tea tree mask absorbs excess oil and soothes irritated skin, while the canola honey mask keeps your complexion nourished and hydrated. So we have 2 different masks, which I love. I love sheet masks, so yay. And these I would consider full size, so pretty good start. Then, let's see. I have something right here. And this is from Basic Beauty. Jelly Blush in It's October 3rd. Basic Beauty is an indie brand that creates high-quality, paraben-free products made with every skin tone in mind. This matte, dusty rose blush goes on wet with a creamy texture and dries down to a powder-like finish. Interesting. And it is a very, okay, I was gonna say, it is a very pretty color. I don't know just yet if I will keep this or stick this in a giveaway, just because I have quite a few blushes right now to go through. So I would rather one of you guys get to try this. So this probably will be in a future giveaway. And then we have, oh, I know I'm gonna butcher the name. Comptoir Sud Pacifique. It's a perfume. If we were to bottle the scent of an exotic vacation, this would be it. This perfume transports you to tropical islands of the South Pacific. This warm, sweet, and irresistible fragrance has notes of apricot, papaya, vanilla, and more. Well, that definitely sounds like something I would like, made in France. Oh, and that's actually a pretty good size sample. I kind of expected it to honestly be a lot smaller. Oh my goodness, y'all, that smells so good. That smells so good. I like that a lot. Yes. Okay. So far, I'm really liking this bag. I mean, even though I'm going to put this to the side for a giveaway, I think the color is gorgeous. All right. And then we have the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream with SPF 50 in light. And this says, It Cosmetics combines problem-solving skin products with cutting-edge technology. This healthy, buildable CC Plus cream protects with SPF 50, evens out your complexion, and helps calm redness with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins. That's awesome. Now, this is something, honestly, that I would put into like my to-go makeup bag, because I could just easily do this rather than having to pack like a full-size foundation or something. So I'm actually really happy to have this. And we do have a vacation coming up, so it came just in time. All right, and then so we have one final product. And this is the Betty Boop and Ipsy Satin Lipstick in Mauve It, baby. It does have a safety seal, so let's take that off. So this is the packaging. Betty Boop and Ipsy. Oh, this is totally my shade, y'all. Like, all right, so it says, introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. The satin finish mauve lip is highly pigmented, non-drying, and feels light on your lips. The neutral shade is so versatile. Wear it from work to weekend and any occasion in between. So let's do a little swatch. Oh, y'all, that went on like so smooth. And that is beautiful. Yes, love it. All right, so that was my first bag, the bag that I have had for years and reviewed numerous times. So they definitely, I think, hit the nail on the head. I love this bag. I thought this one was fantastic. So the sheet mask, the blush, the CC cream, the perfume that smells fantastic, and then this gorgeous Betty Boop. And this is actually what I picked, because we were able to pick one item, and this is the one that I picked. So now let's get into this bag and see. Again, it's the exact same profile, so let's see if we have any duplicates and if it does go by profile. Just using scissors because it's easier. So, all right. Well, I can already see before we even pull out the card, we have a duplicate. So they definitely pay attention because I have on there that I love sheet mask. So we got the same set of sheet mask. I'm not going to read everything again because we already know what it is. And these will be put into a future giveaway. And again, it's the same cute little bag with Betty Boop. Same card. Now let's take a look. All right, so I got the It Cosmetics cream again, the CC cream. So I have a backup for my weekend bag. I would put something like this into a giveaway, but not knowing who may win. Complexion products, sometimes I don't like to put into giveaways. Plus, like I said, this is something great for traveling, and we do travel, so this I can put in there with the other one, and if we're there for a little bit extended period of time, I'm covered. All right, and then, well, we have the same blush. So we're 3 for 3 right now. So I'm thinking they definitely do pay attention. So it's the exact same blush. Again, I will be putting this to the side for a giveaway, or I may keep one and have it on, or to have it to put into my travel bag as well, which actually I think I may do. So there's one for you guys and one for me. That works out. I need to start packing my to-go makeup bag. All right. And then we have from, I'm trying to figure out which way this goes. I think it goes this way. This is a Betty Boop and Ipsy That's So Betty eyeshadow. I was trying to figure out how, because this is this way, this reads that way, but she's standing that way, but I think this is how this goes. Let's see. So high quality, super blendable, and long wearing. Flip Your Lid is everything we want in a shadow, and the deep metallic plum shade is great for updating your fall smoky eye looks. So yeah, Flip Your Lid is the name of the color. This is the outer packaging. Well, that is a very pretty color. You can definitely see it's got some shimmer to it, or I guess they said metallic. So I'm not gonna swatch it because I usually don't keep single eyeshadows. I definitely put these to the side for a giveaway. So this will be in a future giveaway for one of you guys. So there's that. And then our final product. Now this I selected, this was the item I chose. And this is from First Aid Beauty. It is their Facial Radiance Pads. I just thought this would be something nice to try. For effective yet approachable skincare solutions, look no further than First Aid Beauty. Made with glycolic and lactic acid, cucumber, and Indian gooseberry, these pads safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. You'll get glowing in no time at all. So this again is something, because it has 10 of them in here, that I thought would be great again for travel, that you could just throw in. You after you take your makeup off and wash your face, you're one and done with this right here. So just a convenience thing, and I do really like this. So that, you guys, was my 2 Ipsy bags, my Ipsy versus Ipsy for October. So we had 3 of the exact same products. Now, obviously, I selected one product for each bag, so we knew that would be different. But other than that, the only difference in the bags was one got the eyeshadow and one got the perfume. I love perfume and eyeshadow, so I do think they definitely went by profile. Like I said, the single eyeshadow, one of the blushes, and the second set of sheet mask will be put into a future giveaway. So I'm very happy with both bags for October 2019. Let me know down below what you guys got. Were we bag twins on either bag? Do you do Ipsy versus Ipsy? Let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. Again, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways. Again, they're going to be linked down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.